Hello everyone, welcome to our fourth video of Learn Luganda with Kamulegeya Ben, and today we're going to look at the Luganda alphabet. So let's start. The standard Luganda alphabet comprises of 18 letters or 18 consonants, as we're going to see, because they aid in the pronunciation with the vowels. Please note that the way you pronounce out these consonants are as if you have written A at the end, or are as if you've written sound A at the end. The consonants are Ba, once again, Ba, Pa, once again, Pa, Va, once again, Va, Fa, once again, Fa, Ma, once again, Ma, Da, once again, Da, Ta, once again, Ta, La, once again, La, Ra, once again, Ra, Na, once again, Na. Okay, let's have an overview of what we've learned today. Please repeat after me. Ba, Pa, Va, Fa, Ma, Da, Ta, La, Ra, Na. Thanks very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you like the video. We'll continue on with more consonants in the next video.